Hello again, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. I just ordered this portfolio and I haven't opened it yet, so I figured I'd do that on camera. Not sure if I'm gonna like the quality. I ordered this from Vistaprint for their 50% off Cyber Week sale, and I just got it in the mail. The book itself is nice. Not sure if I'm gonna like the print quality or overall construction of the book, but the book itself, I mean, it's a book, so. First couple photos seem good. Resolution looks nice, not too glossy. Yeah, I like what I see so far. So I was able to make my own design. You load all your photos in, and then you're able to just select which ones you want to put on the page and how you want to orient them and stuff. Yeah, I really like the quality. Pretty good resolution for the size. I just like the way it's put together so nicely. So I always try to take advantage of the 50% off sales. They don't always have a deal on everything, but if you look around, you should be able to find some deals on some pretty good stuff. I figured it was time to get a portfolio. I'm glad I did. Yeah, I really like the quality. Planes, trains, and automobiles. Probably took me about 20 minutes or 30 minutes to get all the photos loaded in and get the design done, but overall I'm pretty pleased with the quality of the book. That was a good use of 20 bucks. Just like that, we've come to the end of the video and the end of the year. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. If you did, go down, smash that like button, subscribe for more videos, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.